all you need is a good bobber. These ones are great for fly fishing with the spinning cast gear because the cast goods got a little weight in it. I put mine about 1.5 feet. You can make it any depth you want, but 1.5 feet is pretty good. Henry, got one. Come here. Reel it in. Come here, get my fish. You want to reel him in? Come here. Here, reel him in. Reel him in. Here, reel him in, reel him in. Reel him in right here. Reel him in. Oh, you got him, Henry, look. Oh, you got him. Look, you got another one. They're not big, but they're good looking. Isn't that pretty? Nice, huh? You gonna throw them back in the water? Okay. Good, throw them back in the water. Throw them back. Throw them back. Throw them in there, let go. Good job. High five. Good job on that fish, Henry. You want to catch another one? Okay. Yeah, it's a big fish. Okay, what do you think about that one? You gonna throw them back?
No.
Careful. Don't throw them back. Throw them back in the water. Throw them back in the water. Throw them in the water. Let them go. Throw them back in the water. Say bye. Go ahead, let go. Throw them in the water. Throw them. You tell them to go get all your friends. Throw them back in the water, please. Bye. Go ahead, okay, say bye-bye. Throw them back, please. Oh, kisses? Okay, throw them back. Go ahead, let them go. Put them back in the water. Kick them in the water. Little kick. Don't hurt them. Hey, I'll do it. Good job. You don't want to hurt the fishies. High five. Henry, we got one. Henry, got a fish. Want to reel him in? Look. Look at that. Look at that little one. It's a little fish, right? You gonna throw him back? Oh, 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 oh. He went in. It's okay, I'll get another one for you. He went back. Yes. You want to get another one? Say bye, everybody. Say bye, ducks. Say we're going to go play. Say thanks, everybody. All right. We had a good adventure today. Caught about 5 fish, I think.